I am coming to you now. I am coming to you now. I am coming to you now. I will wait for you, don't be late. I will wait for you, don't be late. I will wait for you, don't be late. Give me some time, please. Give me some time, please. Give me some time, please. I will stay home today. I will stay home today. I will stay home today. I liked the food, it was delicious. I liked the food, it was delicious. I liked the food, it was delicious. This is my favorite food. This is my favorite food. This is my favorite food. I will rest a bit. I will rest a bit. I will rest a bit. This place is very beautiful. This place is very beautiful. This place is very beautiful. I love working here. I love working here. I love working here. I need more money. I need more money. I need more money. This money is not enough. This money is not enough. This money is not enough. What will you do today? What will you do today? What will you do today? I don't blame you for that. I don't blame you for that. I don't blame you for that. Working here is very stressful. Working here is very stressful. Working here is very stressful. Maybe I will leave this job. Maybe I will leave this job. Maybe I will leave this job. Maybe I will buy this one. Maybe I will buy this one. Maybe I will buy this one. I don't know what to choose. I don't know what to choose. I don't know what to choose. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. We can talk later. We can talk later. We can talk later. It is cold outside. It is cold outside. It is cold outside. It is cold today. It is cold today. It is cold today. The prices are high. The prices are high. The prices are high. Look at the price. Look at the price. Look at the price. The price of meat is rising. The price of meat is rising. The price of meat is rising. The work is going well. The work is going well. The work is going well. How much time is left? How much time is left? How much time is left? I have to finish work quickly. I have to finish work quickly. I have to finish work quickly. I have to finish this by tomorrow. I have to finish this by tomorrow. I have to finish this by tomorrow. You can count on me. You can count on me. You can count on me. I love living here. I love living here. I love living here. I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. Try to be strong. Try to be strong. Try to be strong. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. I want to work with you. I want to work with you. I want to work with you. I want to study with you. I want to study with you. I want to study with you. I called you yesterday. I called you yesterday. I called you yesterday. I called you 3 hours ago. I called you 3 hours ago. I called you 3 hours ago. I want to drink some water. I want to drink some water. I want to drink some water. I want to drink some hot tea. I want to drink some hot tea. I want to drink some hot tea. I will make some tea. I will make some tea. I will make some tea. I want to drink coffee. I want to drink coffee. I want to drink coffee. I love orange juice. I love orange juice. I love orange juice. I want some orange juice. I want some orange juice. I want some orange juice. I am drinking orange juice. I am drinking orange juice. I am drinking orange juice. Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? Did you get my message? Did you get my message? Did you get my message? I received your message. I received your message. I received your message. Where are you calling from? Where are you calling from? Where are you calling from? Think before you speak. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. This is exactly what I want. This is exactly what I want. This is exactly what I want. This is exactly what I want.